Check the new trip lever periodically to keep your toilet operating smoothly and avoid unexpected problems. After installation, start by testing the handle action several times to ensure the lever lifts the flapper fully and seats back without sticking. Every 3 months, gently feel the mounting nut behind the tank and tighten it if it is loose, but do not over-tighten because porcelain can crack. Inspect the chain and lift arm for signs of wear or kinking and adjust chain length so there is a slight slack when the flapper is closed, but not so much that the flapper fails to open completely. If the lift arm pivot feels rough or squeaks, apply a tiny amount of silicone or plumber-approved lubricant to the metal or plastic pivot points only and wipe away any excess to avoid attracting grime. Clean the exterior handle and lever with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner and soft cloth to prevent finishes from tarnishing and to keep dirt from working into moving parts. Replace the entire trip lever assembly only when the handle is visibly cracked, the threaded shank is stripped, or repeated adjustments do not restore reliable operation. The most common issue is a loose tank nut that lets the handle wobble and eventually binds the lever. Fix it by holding the lever inside the tank while you snug the nut finger tight plus a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench. Another frequent problem is a too short or too long chain, which causes partial flushes or continuous running. Correct chain length gives 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of slack with the flapper seated. The third common concern is corrosion or plastic fatigue at the pivot that causes gritty or sticky motion. If lubrication does not restore smoothness, replace the arm and any corroded fasteners to prevent sudden failure. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who are actively seeking work and local homeowners looking for help. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share maintenance tips and troubleshooting experiences so we can learn from each other.